Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, tap on Display and choose Font. Over here, as you can see, under Type you have many font styles. If you want to apply one of them, just click on it and go back. As you can see, style of my font has changed, but you can also tap on Font, choose Add Fonts over here and select one of the available ones by tapping on the one that you want to download. So I will go with that one. Now I have to click on it and just download over here. Then wait. Now when I go back, I can see that my new font is over here. So all I need to do is click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!